Hey guys, today I've got my LG stainless steel French door with bottom freezer refrigerator. It's a mouthful there. It's got water, ice in the door, all the controls also on the door here. So I've got everything set just about to its coldest setting. You've got an air filter, water filter, ice plus, so it makes ice a little faster. You can turn the ice maker on and off. You can do a light on, off, or just auto whenever you get stuff. And you can lock all this out too, which is great if you have kids. And I'm going to show you that this works perfect here. So we've got it set just to cubed ice. And we'll switch it over to crushed. LG does an excellent job with crushed ice and actually getting crushed ice and then water right here. So I want you to be able to see, the purpose of this video is so that you know everything works perfect. Get it home, plug it in, you're not going to have any issues. That's how I like to spend my money, so that's how I like to list my items. Let me grab my temperature gun and I'm going to show you inside, show you that it is cooling and freezing the way it should be. So give me a sec just to grab that. Alright, so now I've got my surface temperature gun. So right in between those two red dots, it's going to take a temperature measurement. Just depending on what you shine it on, you get different temperature in Fahrenheit there. So we'll go ahead and open this up. Show it right inside there. Of course, as you go down, the temperature changes a little bit, and it should be right about 36, and this gun's fairly accurate. I'll grab a picture of that here in a sec. Now this is, as soon as you start fanning the doors though, of course it changes a little bit. You've got your ice in there. This closes up. You've got storage on this door. Of course on this side everything's in like new condition. Push this opens up. This might look a little strange. That's because it has got the reach through. So more storage on the door, but you don't actually have to open the fridge door to reach through and grab your drinks, condiments, that kind of thing. So full open, push this button, and you do the reach through. That's how that works. And we'll come down here to the freezer. Let's see, here. Super cold, and this has 3 drawer pullouts here. Of course, it's right where it should be as well. Tons of freezer space there. And you've got a little pocket space there as well. So, alright, that's going to be it for this guy here. Like I said, just wanted you to see that everything's working perfect on it. If you have any questions, feel free to reach out. I'll have all the additional pictures and details in the ad. I do appreciate you taking the time to watch my video. Y'all have a great day. Thank you.